Hi, welcome back to my video series. Today we're talking about B for beta endorphins. Did you know that your brain is a 24-hour pharmacy full of natural drugs? You just have to know how to access them. Today I'll talk to you a little bit about how to access some of them, these beta endorphins, that are really good for pain management. We naturally release them sometimes when we're in pain anyway. So if you've ever been for a run and had a runner's high, you might have had that sort of glowy feeling on top of the world sort of feeling. That would be your beta endorphins working. But what if you hate running like me and you've never had a runner's high? Maybe you want to try acupressure. So there's a few things I can teach you. We won't go into lots of details, but for, I guess, during labour, a good example would be using a pressure point called Cilao. So if you want to get your birth partner to do this for you, you can use it anytime during pregnancy, but during labour for those strong contractions is the time I'd really recommend using it. I found it really helpful. For my first labour, I was induced, and it's not a walk in the park, but you can manage it, and you can manage it without synthetic drugs if you choose to. You just have to know how to handle what's happening in your body. So basically what you want to do is go like a finger width up from your butt crack, for lack of a better way of describing it, and you put your hands in a V, and you're looking for these little hollows that are sort of just up inside your sacrum, and you're just going to get your partner to sort of dig their thumbs in until you find the spot. You'll kind of know the spot when you find it. It should feel like you're getting relief. It shouldn't feel uncomfortable or painful. But I'm going to insert a little photo here so you can see where the spot is. And I'll also link below a video. Rather than reinvent the wheel and have me do it, I'll have an expert show you how to do it so you can get some practice in. And as I said, these beta endorphins that are naturally in your body anyway are really good for managing pain naturally. They're great for encouraging bonding with baby. There's beta endorphins in our breast milk, so sometimes when babies have had a feed, you'll see that they look like they're on a little bit of a high, sort of feeling on top of the world. They're also good for activating memory and learning. They do all sorts of things, but they can also help explain why we tend to remember labour in lots of detail. And in general, they just kind of make you feel good. So why not try something that's natural, that's in your body anyway, that doesn't cost you anything? There's tons more things like this I can teach you, and I've got hypnobirthing classes coming up every month from now until the end of the year, and we talk a lot about acupressure and pain management during labour, as well as just general kind of childbirth education. The Hypnobirthing Australia course is the leading childbirth education course in Australia. So I hope to see you in those classes, or just get in contact with me. I'll put my details below. That's about all I have to say about that. So I'll talk to you next time. Bye.